Hi guys, good morning. Tatapos ko lang mag-exercise para naman pumayat ng konti kasi sobrang taba na. So ito medyo nagpapawis ng konti, but I'm sure mga ilang weeks or months makikita rin ang result ng pinaghirapan ko. So ano ba guys, for me I'm gonna sing pili. Okay, that's it for now because like that. No, what? No, yes, no. Really? You mean like that? Like that? Okay guys, we are champion, my friend, cause we gotta fight it till the end. Nantok pa ako. Medyo really?